So I have another unboxing RDKL. All right, let's see what is in her. Okay, RDKL. These are the instructions, so you can't screw it up. So we have the Fresh RDKL face wash. Youth, got the toner. Okay, this is the Life Serum, so we might all need that. The Revive moisturizer. Super light, not heavy at all. And facial oil. We've got a secret weapon for up our sleeves. While this facial oil is a standalone hero that brightens and hydrates skin, it's also infused with collagen building ingredients that send signals to start the formation of new skin proteins. Mix it with all of our products to boost productivity. Fancy a pick-me-up, add a pump to Revive moisturizer or your favorite foundation and glow, baby, glow. It's appropriately called Glow, and yes, that is going to be my best friend. We're just going to leave her out. Thank you so much, RDKL and Rembrandt. Check it out, RDKL. Go get yours.